The opening day of Safari Rally Kenya is over, and another of the leading crews has taken a battering from the road conditions. Kalle Rovanperä attempted a sensible opening day to this new classic rally on the WRC. It led, and then on the verge of taking the lead back from Thierry Neuville, his Yaris buried itself in the sandy ruts. That ended his Friday. In fifth place, after 7 stages, Gus Greensmith, despite a puncture in stage 6 and a time penalty after leaving service, he survived the rough stuff and choking dust and found a pace that suited his driving. Ott Tänak's first day seemed very calm and sensible until stage 7, where his car was crabbing awkwardly to one side, dust spewing up from the wheel arch. Running out of rubber, he somehow stayed in third place. Drive of the day went to Toyota's Takamoto Katsuta. Trailing in 7th place first thing, he kept a calm and sensible pace about his driving and now could challenge for the win. Thierry Neuville had a let-off. He picked up 2 punctures in the final stage. Normally that would be terminal stuff, but not in Kenya. In fact, his rally lead grew to almost 19 seconds. So Neuville survived the chaos. About a minute separates the podium places. Seb Ogier looking threatening. Greensmith the best of the M Sport Fiestas.
Watch WRC Plus on all devices. WRC Plus, all live.